Oh, Rob, I love that question. And you more than anyone, I think, have done so much from the industry side to keep this issue hot. Look, frankly, when the media is a fickle beast, when the media moves on and we're not seeing the images anymore, the political will drops. It doesn't mean those things aren't still happening. Every Breath Counts gets calls every week, emails every week with another tragic story of a patient that has missed out. Just recently in Kenya, there's a little girl who has to live at the hospital. She has a chronic lung condition, chained to a concentrator because there's no electricity at home to plug it in. So she lives she's completely fine except for this dependence on oxygen. She can't go to school. She can't see her family. She's living at the hospital because there's no power at home. So we're hearing these stories all the time, but the media isn't telling them the way they were during the height of COVID. So industry, we need you to speak with a louder voice. Individual companies can do that, and some are, but your industry associations, whether it's the liquid oxygen groups that bring the liquid oxygen people together, Medingham, the professional association that brings PSAs together, the concentrate, there's a lot of you. When you come together, you're a powerful industry. You often don't talk to each other. So that's something we would love to sort of help the industry speak with one powerful voice about access to medical oxygen. This is not just a philanthropic proposition. There's business here. These are massive underserved markets we're talking about. Massive underserved markets. So an investment, and they're growing. They're growing markets and their incomes are growing. So it's a smart industry actor who sees that and gets ahead of the curve and starts to serve these markets. So don't think this is not charity we're talking about. We're trying to find the space where you can advance public health and business at the same time.
Brilliant, thank you, Leith. And Thomas, would you have anything to add?
Nothing new really, but just to reiterate the call for action. But we want to hear from industry, we want to engage from industry, and as Leith said, that it's only for everyone to gain here. There's nothing to. It's not about charity. It's a huge market, and everyone wins if we work together and close that oxygen gap.